Hello everyone. So in this video I want to explain about the crypto wallet sign up method on Ecency.com. So in Ecency.com we have we have four options of sign up methods, and some of them related with email. But in this video I want to explain how crypto wallet sign up works. So if you go to the sign up page, you can find that you can sign up with your wallet on different blockchains. If you have wallet on Bitcoin or Ethereum or Solana or different chains, you are able to sign up easily just by proving that you have a balance. Or you can just transfer to your own balance on Ecency, and then your account will be created instantly. So let's test this system. So once you click on next, you are able to choose the username, what kind of username you want on Hive. So let's select the name. So we are just using some random name. So this username is available to use, and you have opportunity to set up account with all these blockchains. Let's click continue, and you are presented with a seed phrase, and you can tap to reveal it, or you can just download it. Let me download this, and you will have to provide the verification that you have downloaded seed phrase. This is the next step where we validate that you have backed up the seed phrase and you know what it is. So let me download this now. Once you download the seed phrase, you have a seed phrase file on your computer, and you have to validate that you have a correct seed phrase. So you have to open the file and then just provide this words, just drag and drop them in the correct order. Let's do that. Once you validate, you are moved automatically to the next stage, where you are shown all these public addresses associated with same seed phrase you just downloaded. And all you have to do is deposit to any of these addresses which you would like, or which you have balance on. You can of course import your own wallet by providing the private key for that wallet, and your private key is never sent to any servers. It's just generated public address, and we verify the balance. If it's above the zero, we just let you continue to the next step and create your account. But in this instance, let's just try to deposit some to our one of these wallets. Let's try Tron wallet. If we click on that, we can see that we have this address, and we can just copy this address and try to send some balance into this. So I have this address on my phone. I copied the address on my phone, and I'm clicking send, and it is sent. So 1, 2, 3. So yeah, it's complete. So the website will detect the balance. It automatically detects the balance. Since it's above the zero, then it's trying to create an account for us, because once we validate the balance on that chain, on that blockchain, then we move on to the next stage, and then your account is created and you are automatically logged into that account. Let's wait for that few seconds. This usually takes around 10 seconds, because we have to wait for blockchain to confirm the account, and then once account is confirmed, we verify on the website. So it just took overall 10-15 seconds, and we are automatically logged in, automatically moved to the profile page of that account. And you can see we are logged in with a new account, and we have our seed phrases downloaded also. And if we go to the blockchain, we can see that on a blockchain also the account is created, and we have our private keys associated with that same seed phrase. And then in the seed phrase file, you can also find your individual private keys for posting private key, your active private key, your owner private key. Those can be used for further Hive operations if you want to. And in your wallet, you can see this account is newly created. And since this account already has a seed phrase files, this account already has all other blockchains addresses already available, and it can enable and disable any addresses it wants. So for example, if we enable the Tron wallet, which we just deposited, and we can click on it, and we can see that the balance we just deposited is already existing on this our own wallet. So this was a wallet which we deposited, and our balance is still here. Once we add the transfer and other operations, you are able to send this balance out to your other accounts, or you can just perform the operations all in one space, all in Ecency wallet. I hope it makes clear how the wallet sign up with crypto works, and you are able to sign up easily and join Ecency and Hive. Thank you very much.